Checking your transaction history on VyStar is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account activity. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the VyStar website or open the VyStar mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to Account Overview. Once logged in, locate the Account Overview section. This is usually found on the main dashboard or menu, where you can see a summary of your accounts. Step 3. Select the account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Access transaction history. Look for an option labeled Transaction History or Recent Transactions. Click on this option to view a detailed list of all transactions associated with the selected account. Step 5. Filter or download transactions. If needed, use any available filters to narrow down your search by date or type of transaction. You may also find an option to download your transaction history for your records. Now you can easily keep track of your financial activity with these simple steps.